What's up? It's your boy 2K Music. So today I will showing you how to produce the Afro tech music. So we're talking about international, man. Like Afro tech is international. It can take you as far as UK. So yeah, I'll be showing you how to produce the Afro tech. I've already produced the beat. I'll be just showing you how I made it. So before I show you how I made it, please subscribe to my channel and like the video and leave a comment. Yeah, so that and then please link the bell below the yeah, just click the bell thingy up there. Yeah, so no, down there. Yeah, it's just click the bell thingy down there or up there somewhere. Just look for a bell and click. Yeah, so thank you guys. Yeah, it's 2K Music 2K. So yeah, um I'll play the beat for you now so you can hear, and walk through um I'll walk through the beat with you one by one, how I made the sound, and I'll leave what you call I'll leave a zip file for you of this project on how I did. You will see yourself. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. So please watch until the end for the password and the link of this beat. So yeah, so let me start. Yeah. So this is the beat, guys, and yeah, let me fix this mic. So yeah, this is the beat, guys, and 2 seconds. Okay, so yeah, this is the beat, guys. For the 100th time, this is the beat, guys. So yeah, this is the beat, and let me guide you on how I did this beat. So we'll start by I used loops because yeah, I don't have the packs for tech or house or anything. I just have on my piano tech. And yeah, guys, I'll be leaving uh in the link description. I'll be leaving a link of this beats, but then watch the video until the end so that you can find the password for the what you call for the zip file, because the zip file has a password. So I'll be posting the password anytime in the video, so just keep watching it closely. And yeah, so I'll start by the percussion and I'll play it one by one. So yeah, let's go. So this is a loop. This is a loop that I have. I have loops. I have many loops of house, tech house, Afro house, yeah. And then I have this one. similar. It's similar to this one, but this one doesn't have keys and stuff. And I play some strings which I found on Purity, and I changed my keys. I changed my key to A sharp 5. My key is A sharp 5, and then I went to muted guitar. So, oh, muted guitar. Where are you? Oh, okay, I think my muted guitar. Okay, let me go step by step. So let me go to the string, which is pattern 1. Yeah, so each and every plugin that I use, my key is A sharp 5. So yeah, and then I use the string which is Sona. My string is Sona from Purity. This is how it sounds, and this is how it sounds. And then I went and use Purity as well, which is what I showed you just now. It's muted guitar, and this is how I played my muted guitar. GMS, which is what Vigrotip uses most on in this new album of his. He used this plugin a lot. So in my case, I used this Wise Lab, and then I used Benry's band pass. So it's bass Reese band pass. And this is how it sounds. I use distorted. Yeah, he's and yeah, this is how it sounds. And this is how it sounds with the other things. This one. So I think you can hear. So this is from what you call flex. Yeah, flex, and then the key, and then it's synth block classic. So yeah, this is how it sounds alone, and this is how it sounds with the other. So this is how it sounds. It's here on your synthetic, and then it's how it plays dance block. And this is how it played. Dance block, it's basically one in every step. And this is how it sounds. This is my guitar, this guitar is a loop. this is a loop. Yeah, and then now we on the tab. So this is a tab. Well, next thing is a tab, and also okay, this is the energy from harmless. By far the most popular plugin. If you're an piano producer, it's popular. So this is energy from sense energy, and then yeah, this is how I played it individually. So yeah, it's easy. Easy, and then this is how it sounds with everything. Oh, and I forgot to tell you about this one. So this is for morphine. It's also one of the things that I used in my piano. Leads, leads they dominate. So yeah, I also used it in my Afro beat. So this is um, it's leads, and it's analog. No. Yeah, it's analog soul. Analog soul. Yeah, and this is how it sounds. Just played it once. This is our Ghost TE. Used it in my piano is how it's Bacardi. So yeah, it's pads and textures, and then it's called CE. And I also included a new shaker, which is the shaker 10. Done. So yeah, we're done, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe and like and leave a comment below on what you want to see or any mistakes that I did. Just I'm human too, so yeah, just show me, like, yeah. So please, guys, please subscribe to my videos and leave a comment, like and share if yeah, that's the ones, but the others, please, guys, please do, please subscribe, please leave a like, and please comment, and I'll be dropping more videos based on your comments. So if your comments tell me to drop a skit, house, anything, just leave a comment. Afro tech, yeah, R&B, hip hop, but hip hop I'm not really, you know yeah. So yeah, but just leave a comment, and I'll be sure to make sure that I meet your demands. Yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching. Oh, English, damn. Thanks for watching once again. I'm out. So yeah, thanks, guys. Let's play the beat.